another angle of this. I think this is, yeah, it's got a little crack. I think this is all fixable. Yeah, that can be glued. Chip here and a chip there. Yeah. A little something there. I didn't, I turned the table around and I could see what the hell was going on here. Yeah, that's a fixable table. I think I just get that old stain off. I think they use acetone. I'm not sure. I'll figure it out. Get something, get that old varnish off. Get it cleaned up and put it in somebody's house. Somebody will want it. They'll want me to give it to them. Or they'll take it for $50. I'll have to fight to get that out of them. Alright, just another view of this. Definitely salvageable. If I take the legs off. I think they use that hide glue on there. From what I understand, the hide glue is only for if they want to, somebody wants to take it back apart later. I don't know what they warm it up and it separates. I'm not too sure about that. I'll tight bond it. What the hell would they want to take it back apart? All right, man. Just another view of this little trash find. Some cool inlay right there. That's enough of this. Get the idea. We'll get to it. We'll get to it. We'll get it fixed.